I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, make sure you do. I have a massive giveaway coming in the next few weeks and it's going to be amazing. You do not want to miss it, so make sure you subscribe. Today's video is the video you have all been waiting for. It is my entire Lush collection and storage, which I'm really scared about. You guys have been requesting this video for the past few years. On every video I get this request and it's now time. I've made you guys wait long enough and I'm going to be showing you my whole collection and my storage setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A few disclaimers I just want to throw in at the start. One, this isn't my dream storage situation. If I had my own house, I would definitely have it different, but I'm making do with what I've got. Disclaimer number two is that obviously I've not bought all this in one go. I'm aware it's a lot of money for Lush products, but I've been collecting and buying Lush for about 10 years now, so please bear that in mind. And disclaimer number three is that all of my bath products are currently wrapped in cling film. Now I know for the environment, firstly, that's really not good, but that's the only way I found to keep them fresh. I would love some tips on kind of a better way for the environment to keep them fresh. I would really appreciate that down below, but I've not found a better way. And also I do reuse the wrap. I don't just throw it away and then wrap it in clean. I wrap with old wrap, if that makes sense, so I'm not just throwing away loads of cling film. So just bear that in mind. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am not going to be going through every single product, but what I will do is go through each drawer, pick up a few things, show you a few things, and then just let you look at it, if you know what I mean, because I feel like otherwise this video would be hours long. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and carry on watching. So I really hope this way of filming is going to be okay. I keep all of my Lush collection in a set of Alex 9 drawers. So I do have two sets. One is for makeup and one is for Lush. So on top of the drawers I've got all my body sprays. So you can see I've got some Plum Rain, Twilight, more Twilight, Honey I Washed the Kids. I've got some Olive Branch, Snow Fairy, and a few others back there. As you can see, next to the body sprays I've got my Roots scalp treatment. Now I have that there simply because it doesn't fit in the drawers. I got the absolute largest pot, so it just doesn't fit. But yeah, that is literally what's on top of the drawers. Nothing exciting. It is just my body sprays and my scalp treatment because I have nowhere else for it to go. When I tell you guys this drawer is a mess, as you can see there's a lot of plastic wrapping, and I did mention in the intro to this video that I do want to look for an alternative way of storing it, and I do reuse it, hence why it's all kind of unraveling, but I just don't really know how else to store my products at the moment. But this drawer is more of a miscellaneous drawer. You've got all my solid perfumes in the front, so you've got Rose Jam and Snow Fairy. We've got Lord of Misrule, which is my favourite. I then have my Karma dusting powder, which I've had for a long time. I'm not massively into the Karma scent, but this one is really nice, and I just like to have a dusting powder just for when I put a moisturiser on. Then next to those is all of my massage bars. Now I've got a lot of massage bars. You've got the new Valentine's one here. You've got the banana one from last year, the little gingerbread man from Christmas. So there is quite a few back here. Again, like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm not going to go through every single product because this video would be absolutely ginormous, but I have done videos on parts of my collection, so like my massage bars and stuff. So if you guys find those, watch those, and if you want to see a part of a collection that I've not done, do let me know down below. Next we have things like my Toothy Tabs. Again, I don't really use these. I only have the Oral Pleasure and then the mouthwash ones. I don't use them. They are just there for if I travel. Obviously we're not going to be doing any of that soon, but for future I just like to have them on hand. And then at the back here we've got my Scrubbies. Now I have a couple, I think I have about 4 left, so this is what Scrubby looks like. I will undo it. So this is what Scrubby looks like. It's a body butter scrub. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I then also have a few of the perfume oils. I've got the Lord of Misrule. I've also got the Inhale, and then I have one more down here which is Yognog, and I love those. I think they're amazing. So that is basically the miscellaneous top drawer full of massage bars, body scrubs, perfumes, and then a few bits and bobs. So now moving on to the second drawer. Again, these drawers are all very miscellaneous simply because I own too much of some things that a whole drawer isn't enough space and I'll show you guys what I mean in a minute. But this drawer is just what's in here at the moment. So we've got some shower jellies. So we've got a Twilight, the Snowman, Needles and Pines, Sweetie Pie. We've got Plum Rain in the back, and then a few other ones towards the back. And then, as you can see on the right hand side towards the back, underneath these soaps, there are a few of the Showders. So I've got the Candy Floss one, and then the Dirty Deal one, which was really nice. So I have those. I then have a few of the shampoo bars, because I'm a massive shampoo bar fan. I use them a lot and I love them. So I've got a new shampoo bar, which I asked for my birthday, along with the, what was this called? I think it was like coconut rice cake. Smells delish. I also then have a chunk of the avocado co-wash and a Snow Fairy shampoo bar, and then towards the back I also have some of the rhubarb and custard soap, which I didn't know where else to put it, so it's just chilling there, along with a piece of the Sleepy down here. We also in this drawer have a Bar of Fun and then a Snow Fairy body conditioner, and those are simply in here because, like I said, they don't fit in the other drawers, so this is as much as I can squeeze in, and they're kind of products that just sort of slotted in the gaps. So yeah, that's the second drawer. So this is the third drawer. Again, it doesn't bring me a lot of joy because of the amount of stuff that's crammed in here, but we're going to go through it anyway, and I will show you guys what I've got. So I have a few scrubs. This is the Lord of Misrule, I think it was the Rough with the Smooth. I love that. I then have a few of the Roulards. I don't know if you guys remember those, but these came out for Christmases, and I cannot remember what they're called, but I have a few of those. That was the Yog Dog one. This one smelled like peppermint. It's really, really good. I then have a few of the body lotions in here. So I've got the American Cream and the Once Upon a Time one, which smells like So White. It's delicious. Again, I have a few more Fun Bars. So over here I have a few Fun Bars, and that's the reason that the other one is in the other drawer, because it's partly used as well, so I'm kind of using that one at the moment. I then have a bar of the Yog Nog soap, which will always be my favourite in the world, so I like to have a bar of that just saved because I'm obsessed. Then I have the Mamma Mia shower scrub, which I got from the Mother's Day collection, and then a pot of the R&B moisturiser, which has changed I think to Revive now. I then have a shampoo bar. This is the honey one, and then I have a few other shampoo bars under here, as you guys can see if I move these out the way. I've got some shampoo bars there too. So those are kind of my hair care and miscellaneous products, I guess. Towards the back I've got a hot oil treatment there. I have some of the No Drought dry shampoo, the sea salt texturizing spray. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this isn't my dream storage situation. I do have ideas for when I get a house and stuff, but this is just for now, and I am trying to use up all my Lush stuff anyway. I think having this much is a little bit ridiculous. No offense if you collect Lush, but it just doesn't last, so I am making my way through it, which believe it or not, even though I have so much stuff. But yeah, this is the third drawer. It's a bit messy. Oh, and I have the Curl Power as well, which I haven't tried yet, so let me know if you want a review on that. So this is the fourth drawer. Now again, this is miscellaneous, but this mainly has a few shower gels, body conditioners, and that is kind of it, and some scrubs. So in this drawer, I've got things like Christingle, African Paradise. You've got the orange scrub from Christmas, which is delicious, by the way. We then have the Snow Fairy body conditioner. I actually have another 2 of those, which I'm obsessed with. I then have some Yummy Mummy body conditioner, some Sleepy lotion, because I always like to have a big pot of that, and I just finished a small one, so that should be getting used very soon. I then have the Scrub body scrub, a deep sleep jelly because I didn't have anywhere else for it to go, and then we have a few shower gels. Now shower gels are my addiction. I love a Lush shower gel. Not so much anymore, but when I used to get them half price, I would always buy them in a large, which is definitely where the obsession became a problem. But I've got some Prince Charming, some American Cream, Cinders. Oh, it's amazing. I've got a little bar of the it was like a little sample of the solid soaps, solid shower gels, so that's just under there. I then have some of the Happy Shower Gel, the Berry Berry Christmas, and obviously I've got to have a Plum Rain in there somewhere. So that is this drawer. I'm opening this now and showing this to you guys, and I know that deep down this is not how I would have it all displayed, but unfortunately right now this is all I've got, so hopefully you guys can get a good idea of what I have in my collection. And like I said at the start as well, if you guys want to see an in-depth collection on a certain subject of my collection, so for example body scrubs or lotions and stuff, let me know and I can do that, but obviously you guys have seen it now, so hopefully this is kind of giving you guys a good idea of what I've got. So the next drawer down is all of my solid soaps, bar a few that I've had to slot in a few other drawers, because as you can see, this drawer is absolutely rammed of soap. I don't even really like soap, I'm not gonna lie, but I used to get a lot when I would get a gift box, or when the collections used to come out and I used to buy them all. I am mainly saving these for when I get my own house, because obviously you're either going to have 1 or 2 bathrooms and a kitchen, so a lot of these will get used very quickly, I would imagine, so that is why I've saved them all. And just to show you guys a few, I've got the Snow Fairy solid soap there. I also have the Milky Bath one, which I really actually enjoy, so I'm really excited to have that one. We then have the Ghost from Halloween. I can't remember what this one is called, but I have that one. I've then got a chunk of the Rocking Horse soap from a few Christmases ago, and this one is really good. This one is what was it? It smells kind of like licorice, sort of. It's really, really good. But yeah, this is my soap collection. As you can see, I have a lot of it. A lot of it doesn't really get used at the moment, but like I said, when I do move out and get a house and have multiple bathrooms and a kitchen and stuff like that, like this stuff will get used really quickly, so it is kind of good that I have it now, because I don't think I'm ever going to have to buy a hand soap ever again. So yeah, this is the 5th drawer, which I'm going to shut because it actually is really ugly. So next up, moving on to shower gel. As you guys can see, there is a lot of shower gel shoved into a very small drawer, so I'm not going to go through all of these individually, just because I feel like I don't know how I would get these all back in anyway. But as you guys can see, I've got the Intergalactic, Avocado Wash, Ectoplasm, Twilight, Yognog. I've got the Yognog Body Milk in there as well, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, guys. Honestly, if this comes back out online, trust me, you need to buy it because it's so, so good. I then have some of the Yuzu and Cocoa underneath here, which you guys can see just there. Now that is a shower gel, which I absolutely friggin' love so much, and the fact they didn't make it anymore makes me really reluctant to use it, so it just chills under there for now. I then also have some Lord of Misrule under here, alongside some Comforter at the back. I have done an in-depth collection on my shower gels where I've kind of gone through each one, told you guys what they smell like, and if you guys want to see that, then do search for it on my channel. It is there. I've done a few videos actually, and yeah, I'm not going to go through all of it now because you can imagine this video would probably be about 5 hours long, but I do really love my Lush shower gels. They are my absolute favourite and definitely worth the money in my opinion. But yeah, that is that. Have a little look. Again, if you want an in-depth review, let me know, but that is the shower gel drawer. Next up is the first drawer of bath products. As you can see, there is a Santa's Christmas shower gel to the left there, and that is again because it doesn't fit in the drawer. And bath bomb wise, in this one I've got a mixture, so you've got obviously the Valentine's ones from this year's collection. I also have another shower gel hidden under there, not really sure what that is. I've got a few from Christmas as well. I've even got the sheep head from that spring collection they did a year or so ago. I've got a few of the big ones here and here, the butterfly. Again, the bath bomb drawer is slowly but surely actually getting smaller because I am using it on a regular basis. Every bath I have now, I use at least one product, if not two, just to try and get through them because they do go really, really gross after a while, so I am slowly making my way through them. But this is the first drawer. These are the bath bombs I have. I have another one of the little pear ones, which was a Christmas one. That one there is a butterfly, which sadly is a little bit crushed, but that's what I mean. After a while they become very delicate and they do crumble super easily. So if you're like me and you're a collector, then you guys need to make sure you're using all your bath bombs because this is a lot of money and I feel like it could easily go really badly if you don't use them up, do you know what I mean? So the next drawer again is another drawer of bath bombs. These ones are a little bit newer than the others, I think. I'm pretty sure I did them in an order. If not, these are just bath bombs. I've got a really big mix of some Christmas. This is Lord of Misrule, my absolute ride or die. I love this one so much. This one is obviously from the Mother's Day range. You've got this one again from Valentine's Day, the Love Boat from Valentine's Day. I've got the new Tisty Tosty from Valentine's Day. I've got a Butter Bear from Christmas. I've got that Civ one that came out, the little snowman. I can't remember the names of all of these because, as you can imagine, remembering all these is quite hard. But this is just an overview of all my bath bombs. You guys can have a little look inside and see what I've got. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. Again, I am making my way through it, and I am trying to pick up ones that I've had for a longer time, so I am slowly getting through them, but as you guys can see, I have a lot. So yeah, I have no idea where the Easter collection's going to go, because honestly I don't know where it's going to fit, but we will make do with it. And yeah, that's my second bath bomb drawer. Last but not least is my bubble bar drawer. Now, bubble bars are my absolute faves. I have definitely preferred a lot of bubble bars over the years than bath bombs. However, there are 2 bath bombs in here, as you can see. They just don't fit in the other drawers, so I've put them here. But in this drawer we have a wide range again. So you've got things like unicorn horn, this violet spinner thing that came out a few years ago. You've got the new like Mother's Day ones, the Valentine's Day ones. You've got a cheeky yognog one under there, which smells delicious. I've also got at the back there, that is a yuzu and cocoa bubble bar. Now those don't exist anymore. I will not use that because it's just my favourite, and I really can't bring myself to use it. We've also got a golden egg at the back. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, this is probably a shock, but I'm not a big fan of the golden eggs. Too much oil, too much glitter. I have ordered another one for the Easter range to show you guys, but I still haven't used the one from last year, so probably a waste, but never mind. We've also then got the plum, like that plum rain bath melt that came out a few years ago. This one, really nice. Haven't used it yet though, but I'm excited. I've then even got a 5 gold rings bubble bar, which came out when I used to work there, like the first Christmas back in probably 2013 or something. So that's kind of gross, but that's just chilling there. But yeah, this is the bubble bar drawer. Again, I can go into more detail of what I've got in here, but this video is more to show you how much I have, how I store it, and that kind of thing. So hopefully you guys can get a good idea of what I've got from the shots. And I feel like I'm talking with my hands a lot, but you guys can't see me, so I'm having to talk with my hands. But yeah, that's the bubble bar drawer. So that is the last drawer in my Lush collection. So that is my entire Lush collection for 2021. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. As you guys know, I will be doing an Easter haul, which will be my next video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!